Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. This one is patient level activity and costing, or PLICS for short. So there's just two tables, you can see them here, and 247,000 rows of data going back to March 2019. So I've just queried both of them. Acute patient level activity and costings, so you can see the sort of data there is there. And I'm just showing you what the breakdown column has. And breakdown group 1, if I just tab down there, you can see the sort of stuff that's got, and you can always pause the video to make sense of it. You need to really query the data directly to make a proper sense of this. And then there's patient level activity and costing. You can see the sort of data there. You've got these breakdowns. This is the breakdown group 1. You just pause the video to have a proper read. And breakdown group 2. That's that, thanks.